ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाक्य बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 342। Ekam annam. We are seeing this one annam, which according to Bhartar Prapanchamata, what is it?
Vaishvadeva.
Vaishvadevakya. Vaishvadeva. And Siddhanti said, no, it is what is adyate. Bhashyakar said, what is being consumed by all, that is the annam. That is sadharanam annam. And then, what is the defect if we understand Vaishvadevakya? That is being discussed. So earlier one point was given that the sadharanam annam is shva chandaladi adyasya annam, and Vaishvadeva is not shva chandaladi adyam. Second, it is pratyaksham sadharanam annam. So it Vaishvadeva is not pratyaksha, and therefore that annam is not sadharanam. And we saw the shloka in Tika, means only one line is there. Avashyam yati tiryaktvam jagdva jaiva hutam havihi. Jagdva jaiva ahutam havihi. So when, if a person does not offer it to devatas, pitris, rishis, etc., and he consumes, then he will attain tiryaktvam, means pashutvam. So a grahastha has this responsibility also. Iti in tika akarane Vaishvadevasya pratyavaya shravanaccha. So Vaishvadeva, if you don't do, there is pratyavaya. Pratyavaya is not for everybody. So this cannot be sadharanam annam. Vaishvadevasya pratyavaya shravanaccha. This chakara is hetvantaram. In this way we should understand. Tad anushthayino na papmalesho asti. The one who does Vaishvadeva anushtanam will not have papa. सर्वसाधारण अन्न ग्रहे तु तत्परस्य निंदा वचनम उपपद्यते तेन तदेव ग्राह्यम. सर्वसाधारण अन्न ग्रहे, if you take this Vaishvadeva as सर्वसाधारणम अन्नम, then tatparasya ninda vachanam is there. Tatparasya means, we saw this last time, the one who is only using annam for sharira sthiti, not for sadhana, then for that there is ninda. So itaratra cha pratyavaya upapattehe. In that, Taittiriya Shruti is quoted. Tatraiva Shrutyantaram Samvadayati. Ahamannam annam adantamadmi. It is mantra varnat. The meaning of this is Aham annam adantam anna rupena admi. In this way, you will have to supply something. Aham annam twice it is given. So first annam means I will make that person as my annam. Whom? The one who does not give annam. Annam adantam. Aham anna rupena admi. I will eat that person. In other words, अन्नदानम should be done in this way. इति मंत्रवर्णात्. In टीका, अर्थिभ्यो अविभज्य अन्नम अदत्वा स्वयमेव भुञ्जानं नरम अहम अन्नमेव भक्षयामि तम अनर्थ भाजम करोमि इत्यर्थः. अर्थिभ्यः, the one who is desiring food, avibhajya annam adatva, without making a separate part for that person and without distributing to them the right amount of food, adatva swayameva bhunjanam, if he eats only by himself, bhunjanam naram aham annam eva bhakshayami, means I will make that person as my food. Which means tam anartha bhajam karomi, I will make anartha of that person. So who will say this? This is in Taittiriya Upanishad. This mantra comes for Jnani. But Jnani means here you should understand as Ishvara. As Samartha, all capable Ishvara, I can make anartha of that person. Means it will happen. He will not do anything. This will happen. If you don't, if you have enough, somebody seeks food, you don't give, then this will happen. Now, a little bit more I want to tell here. Bhakshayami, huh? हाँ. Bhakshyami नहीं, bhakshayami. Annam in those days was the primary thing for distribution. Because in those days, currency was not as much used. Annam, people would give food to everybody. Now in society, annam distribution is still there and it is important, but at the same time, lot of things happen with currency only, because everywhere in those days, currencies people didn't use that much. They'll give annam for annam. Now it is all money. So in modern days, in whichever way, if somebody is helping the other person, whom the one who is arthi, then it is right. Otherwise, that person will become anartha bhagi. टीका, मंत्रांतरम आदाय आकांक्षा द्वारा ब्राह्मणम उत्थाप्य व्याचष्टे. Mantrantaram Adaya. So we have to remember in this second mantra, there is mantra bhaga, brahmana bhaga. Mantra bhaga, brahmana. So within that only second part of mantra having taken that means next part of the mantra, mantrantaram adaya, akanksha dwara brahmanam utthapya vyachaste. Now the next two foods. So sapta anna is there, 7 types of annam. One type is the sadharanam annam. Now the next two, what are the next two that he takes in Bhashya? Dve devan abhajayat iti. He gave 2 foods to Devata, Prajapati. So this much is mantra padam. Dve devan abhajayat iti mantra padam. Ye dve anne srishtva devan abhajayat. Having created these 2 foods, he gave it to Devatas. Kete dve iti uchyate. What are these 2? Hutancha prahutancha. Hutam and prahutam. So I had explained it as Darsha Purnamasa, Amavasya and Purnima. That only is going to say, even though he begins with Hutam Prahutam. So don't think that what you know is something else. Later he will say that is Darsha Purnamasa. So first let us see in Bhashya. Hutam iti Agnau Havanam. So Hutam actually means what? See, in Agni, if I am doing some ahuti, like annam, grains, etc., or ghee, so that material is called Hutam. But if you do Bhav Nishtha, then Hutam means Havanam. That is what Bhashakar gives. Hutam iti Agnau Havanam. Hutam means Havanam. That Havan means that Yajna Karma, not the Samagri which is offered. Hutam means you should take Havanam, not Samagri, the material which is offered. And Prahutam means Hutva Baliharanam. So the offering in the form of Bali. So that is at the end. After making all the offerings, then what is offered at the end, that is called Prahutam. Tika. Huta Prahutayor Dve va annatve. Right. No. Huta Prahutayor not dve. Devannatve. Deva annatve. Samprati. Samprati tanam anushtanam anukulayati. Samprati tanam. I will check that. Samprati means towards them now. Anushtanam anukulayati. What is the anushtanam? Yasmad dve ete anne huta prahute devan abhajayat pita. Two types of food is there. He devan abhajayat. He gave it to devatas for consumption. तस्माद् एतर्हि अपि गृहिणः काले देवेभ्यो जुह्वति देवेभ्य इदम् अन्नम् अस्माभिर्दीयमानम् इति मन्वाना जुह्वति प्रजुह्वति हुत्वा बलिहरणं च कुर्वत इत्यर्थः. एतर्हि अपि गृहिणः काले गृही at the right time बहुवचनम गृहिणः देवेभ्यो जुह्वति देवेभ्यः इदम अन्नम अस्माभिः दीयमानम. How you should think? This food is for devatas. Devebhyah idam annam asmabhihi by us diyamanam. This is allotted to devatas. Iti manvana. Manvana ke grihinaha. Manvanaha. Juhvati prajuhvati. They will do both. Huta and prahuta. Juhvati prajuhvati. Hutva baliharanam cha kurvataha. Kurvate. Kurvate. Bahuvachanam. Grihinaha is bahuvachanam. So, grihinaha kurvate. Kurute, kurvate, kurvate. ठीक है. यदि पक्षांतरम उपन्यास्य व्याकरोति अथो इति अथो अपि अन्य आहुर द्वे अन्य पित्रादेवेभ्यः प्रत्ये न हुत प्रहुते किं तर्हि दर्शपूर्णमासाविति. अथो अपि अन्य आहुः. and some other people. What do they say? Dve अन्ये पित्रा देवेभ्यः प्रत्ये. प्रत्ये न हुत प्रहुते. That प्रत्ये, pratyay means pradatte, that dakara lopa is there, like how earlier also we saw. Na huta prahute, they are not huta and prahuta. Then what are they? Darsha Purnamasav iti. They are actually Darsha Purnamasa. Even though mantra said huta prahuta, but it refers to Darsha Purnamasa. Why? Anyahu. But here he will take that as the Mukhya Paksha then. दर्श पूर्णमासौ. यदि दर्श पूर्णमासौ देवान्ने कथम तरहि हुत प्रहुते इति पक्षस्य प्राप्ति तत्राह. If darsha purnamasa is devatanna, then why you got huta prahuta this paksha? This is dvitva shravana avisheshat atyanta prasiddhatvacha huta prahute iti prathama paksha. Because it is atyanta prasiddha, therefore huta prahuta is taken as first. टीका तरहि द्वे देवान इति श्रुत द्वित्वस्य हुत प्रहुतयोरपि संभवात् न प्रथम पक्षस्य पूर्व पक्षत्वम अत आह. इफ इट इज पॉसिबल द्वे देवान श्रुत द्वित्वस्य हुत प्रहुतयोरपि संभवात्. हुत एंड प्रहुत, that is also possible. Then why you are taking that as पूर्व पक्ष and taking the other one as मुख्य दर्श पूर्णमास इति अतः आह. सीन भाष्य. यद्यपि द्वित्वम हुत प्रहुतयोः संभवति, even though it is possible that huta prahuta can be used because they are two, तथापि श्रौतयोरेव तु दर्श पूर्णमासयोर देवान्नत्वं प्रसिद्धतरम मंत्र प्रकाशितत्वात्. Shrauta Darsha Purnamasa alone are to be used as Deva Annam. Shrautayoho Darsha Purnamasayoho Devannatvam Prasiddhataram. That is Prasiddham. Huta and Parahuta is Prasiddha, but this is Prasiddhatara. This is even greater. Why? Mantra Prakashitatva. Therefore, we are going to use Darsha Purnamasa as the two Annam for Devata. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. प्रसिद्ध तरत्वे हेतुमाह मंत्र प्रकाशितत्वात्. अग्नये जुष्टम इन टीका. अग्नये जुष्टम निर्वपामि अग्निरिदम हविरजुषत इत्यादि मंत्रेषु. दिस मंत्र वी हैव सीन इन अर्थ संग्रह. अग्नये जुष्टम निर्वपामि अग्निरिदम हविरजुषत इत्यादि मंत्रेषु दर्श पूर्णमासयोर देवान्नत्वस्य प्रतिपन्नत्वात् इति यावत्. Darsha Purnamasa, it is Devata Annam. So this Darsha Purnamasa, they are of two types. One is Nitya Darsha Purnamasa. Second is, or Nitya means Nitya Karma. Second is Kamya Darsha Purnamasa. Kamya Darsha Purnamasa has Swarga as its Sadhya. So we have heard this Vakya Darsha Purnamasa Bhyam, Swarga Kamo Yajeta. So there it is Swarga desire. That is a different one. So here you have to understand the Nitya, that which is the daily one, which is part of Nitya Karma. Darsha Purnamasa Nitya Karma. देवानत्वस्य प्रतिपन्नत्वात् इति यावत्। इतश्च दर्शपूर्णमासयोरेव देवानत्वम् इति वक्तुं सामान्य न्यायम् आह। And for this reason also दर्शपूर्णमासयोः एव देवानत्वम् इतश्च इति वक्तुं सामान्य न्याय। Now what is the सामान्य न्याय? गुण प्रधान प्राप्तौ च प्रधाने प्रथमतरा अवगतिः। If for one thing, two things are available, guna and pradhana. Guna means gauna, what is secondary. Pradhana means primary. Both, if they are available, then pradhana you have to take, that is samanya niyama. So if dve annam for devata, huta prahuta is also there, darsha purnamasa is also there. So instead of taking huta prahuta, which is gauna, you should take darsha purnamasa. That is the niyama. Studying Brahadaranyaka, there is lot of enthusiasm, but you have to study all these then. What is Darsha Purnamasa and this, that, and sometimes we feel that the relevance is not there. So this is, understand, this is for samskaras, otherwise I will be more extroverted. Hmm? Hmm. गुण प्रधानयोर एकत्र साधारण शब्दात् प्राप्तौ सत्यां प्रथमतरा प्रधाने भवति अवगतिर् गौण मुख्ययोर मुख्य कार्य संप्रत्यय इति न्यायात् इत्यर्थः। गुण प्रधानयोः एकत्र साधारण शब्दात् प्राप्तौ, वन साधारण शब्द इज देयर, लाइक सिंहः, सिंहो माणवकः इज जस्ट से सिंहो गच्छति. So gauna meaning will be some brahmachari and mukhya artha will be simha. So then which meaning you will take first? You should be very clear. First meaning will be mukhya artha only. Pradhana. That is what he says. Guna pradhana yoho ekatra sadharana shabdat praptau satyam. One shabda, if both are available, then prathamatara pradhane bhavati avagati. Avagati jnanam. गौण मुख्ययोर मुख्य कार्य संप्रत्यय इति न्यायात्. दिस इति न्याय. गौण मुख्ययोर मुख्य कार्य संप्रत्यय इति. अस्तु एवं प्रस्तुते किम जातम. पूर्व पक्षी सेज ओके हियर इट, that may be the nyaya, but what is the context here? In the prastuta means in the prakarana, what should we do? Kin jatam tadaha दर्श पूर्ण मासयोश्च प्राधान्यम हुत प्रहुत अपेक्षया. Bhashyakar says Darsha Purnamasa has pradhanyam compared to Huta Prahuta. So how do we know? He said that earlier mantra varna, mantra prakashitatvat. Later he will say that this is Shatapathiyam prasiddhi. Shatapatha Brahmana has prasiddhi. Tika तयोर निरपेक्ष श्रुति दृष्टतया सापेक्ष स्मृति सिद्ध हुतादि अपेक्षया प्राधान्यम सिद्धम तथा च प्रधानयोस् तयोर इतरयोश्च गुणयोर एकत्र प्राप्तौ प्रधानयोरेव द्वे देवान इति मंत्रेण ग्रहो युक्तिमान इत्यर्थः. तयोः निरपेक्ष श्रुति दृष्टतया सापेक्ष स्मृति सिद्ध हुतादि अपेक्षया प्राधान्यम. निरपेक्ष श्रुति दृष्ट is darsha purnamasa and sapeksha smriti siddha hutadi, huta prahuta. So compared to that, this darsha purnamasa will have pradhanyam siddham. सापेक्ष, see 5 number tippani says सापेक्ष स्मृति means shruti सापेक्ष स्मृति. So if shruti, because darsha purnamasaabhyam swarga kamo yajeta, or darsha purnamasa is prasiddha in Veda, and this huta prahuta is taken from some smriti. Therefore, shruti being nirapeksha is pradhana. Smriti is sapeksha, therefore gauna. प्रधानयोरेव द्वे देवान इति मंत्रेण ग्रहो युक्तिमान. तस्मात् तयोरेव ग्रहणं युक्तम द्वे देवान अभाजयत इति. दर्शपूर्ण टीका दर्शपूर्णमासयोर देवान्नत्वे समनंतर निषेध वाक्यम अनुकूलयति. दर्शपूर्णमास इज देव अन्नम, then तदनंतरम there is a निषेध वाक्यम अनुकूलयति. यस्मात् देवार्थम एते पित्रा प्रक्लृप्ते दर्शपूर्णमासाख्ये अन्ये तस्मात् तयोर देवार्थत्व अविघाताय नेष्टियाजुक इष्टियजनशीलः. Since for devatas, Pitra created these two. Pitra, Tritiya Vibhakti. By the Prajapati, these two were created for devatas. Darsha Purnamasa, both. Darsha is Amavasya. Purna is Purnima. They both have 3 each. What are they?
Agnishturyam, Apangshu, Agneya.
And the other one?
Aindram,
Agneya, Dadi, and
Kapala, Agneya, Ashta Kapala.
No, Aindram Dadhi, Aindram Payaha, Agneya. Agneya is Ashtakapala. Aindram Dadhi, Aindram Payaha, this is Purnima. Agneya is common in both. So 3 are there. So what is this Vakya you see? Yasmad Devartham ete pitra praklipte ete darsha purnamasakhye anye. These two are projected by Prajapati for Devatas. Therefore, if we don't give to Devatas, Tasmat Tayor Devarthatva Avighataya. Vighata means to destroy it, to hurt it, not to spoil that. That these two are meant for Devatas. Therefore, na ishti yajuka, ishti yajana shilaha. What is that? That he will explain. Okay. So I will explain it later once we read this. Tika you see. Ishti yajana shilo na syat iti sambandha. Na ishti yajuka means na ishti yajana shilaha. Na ishti yajana shila means see in bhashya. Ishti shabdena kila kamya ishtayah Shatpathiyam prasiddhi. Kamya ishti is this Darsha Purnamasa for Swarga, which is given in Shatapatha Brahmana. That you should not do. Means you should not become the one who is doing Darsha Purnamasa only for Swarga. I should be doing Darsha Purnamasa for Devata, not for myself. Me going to Swarga. I should not become the one who is performer of Kamya Ishti. So this you have to understand in general. What is meant for somebody else by God. And instead of making it for them, if I go on using, then I will become Kamya Yajana Shila. Ishti Shabdena Kila Kamya Ishtaya. Kamya Ishti is referred by Ishti Shabda, where in Shatapatha Brahmana, Shatapathiyam Prasiddhi. So Darsha Purnamasa is there. Tachilya Pratyaya. Now what is Tachilya Pratyaya? Is the previous sentence. Neshti Yajuka. You see that word in the third line?
Yes, Ramesh.
So न इष्टि याजुक. याजुक शब्द है उकय प्रत्यय. उकय प्रत्यय is ताच्छिल्य प्रत्यय. We have seen this shabd earlier. In ukay, uka will remain. So yaja, yajuka, that will be explained in Tika. We saw this in
Here only Pramayuka.
Pramayukam in Brahadaranyaka. Here also ukay pratyay came. Kamuka. Ukay pratyay sutra is 3 to 154. लशपत पदस्था भू वृष हन कम गम श्रुभ्य उकय. This is the sutra. 3 to 154. Every sutra you don't have to memorize, but you should know. How many you can memorize? You do. Lasha pada sa bhu vrisha hana kama gama shrupya. And if, so these are the dhatu. If the dhatu is not given and still ukay pratyay is used, it is nipatita. You should understand. Same artha. Now you see in Tika, this is Tachilya Pratyaya Prayogat Kamya Ishti Jana Pradhano Na Syat. This is the final thing. Don't become a person who is performing karma only for desires. I want it. So Sakama Karmi I should not become. Whether it is Ihaloka or Paraloka. See in Tika. ननु तद यजन शीलत्व अभावे कुतो दर्श पूर्णमासयोर देवार्थत्वम नहि तावनिष्पन्नौ तदर्थाओ इत्याशंका आह. If tad yajana शीलत्व is not there, अभावे कुतो दर्श पूर्णमासयोः देवार्थत्वम नहि तौ अनिष्पन्नौ तदर्थौ. Tad yajana शीलत्व अभावे means if I don't go on doing this for devatas, then how it will be used? Means then where else it will be? If I don't do Darsha Purnamasa offerings to devata, then where else I will use Darsha Purnamasa? He said the meaning for that is Kamya. Kamya Ishtis are there. Ishti Shabdena Kila Kamya Ishtaya Prasiddha. Further in Tika. किम पुनरस्मिन् वाक्ये काम्य इष्टि विषयत्वम इष्टि शब्दस्य इति अत्र नियामकम तत्र किल शब्द सूचिताम पाठक प्रसिद्धिम आह. So अन्वय of this वाक्य you have to do this way. You can put numbers up. पुनः अस्मिन् वाक्ये काम्य पुनः अस्मिन् वाक्ये इष्टि शब्दस्य काम्य इष्टि विषयत्वम तत्र किन नियामकम. In this vakya, ishti shabd is referring to kamya ishti. पुनः अस्मिन् वाक्ये इष्टि शब्दस्य काम्य इष्टि विषयत्वम् इति अत्र किं नियामकम्? How do you say that in Shatapatha Brahmana ishti means kamya ishti? तत्र किल शब्द सूचितां पाठक प्रसिद्धिम आह शातपथीयम प्रसिद्धि. In Shatapatha Brahmana this is how it is प्रसिद्ध. काम्य इष्टीनाम अनुष्ठान निषेधे स्वर्ग काम वाक्य विरोधः स्यात्. So if somebody says, if you don't allow us to do kamya ishti, means any yaga with desire for swarga, then that vakya of Veda which says Darsha Purnamasabhyam Swarga Kamo Yajeta, that vakya will become Viruddha. Kamya Ishtinam Anusthana Nishede. If you do Nishede, then Swarga Kama Vakya Virodha Syat. So it is said, no, don't become of that nature. Tachilya Pratyaya Prayogide means don't become Sakama Karmi only. Also think of you have to give it to Devatas. See now in Tika further it is explained. Tatra vihitasya ukay pratyasya atra prayogat kamya ishti yajana pradhanatvam iha nishidyate. There ukay pratyay is used. In other words, don't become of this character, only this personality, that every time what is there for me, what is there for me, don't think like that. Just do it. Because Devatas will be pleased with that. उका प्रत्ययस्य अत्र प्रयोगात् काम्य इष्टि यजन प्रधानत्वम इह निषिध्यते. काम्य इष्टि यजन प्रधानत्वम means predominantly I have become only for myself, that is to be negated. तच्च देव प्रधानयोर दर्श पूर्णमासयोः अवश्य अनुष्ठेयत्व सिद्ध्यर्थम. उका प्रत्यय is there in that yajuka, remember. ताच्छिल्य अनुष्ठेयत्व सिद्ध्यर्थम न तु ताः स्वतो निषिध्यन्ते तन्न स्वर्ग काम वाक्य विरोधो अस्ति. That Shastra is not saying that don't do any kamya karma to go to Swarga. Shastra is saying don't do only kamya karma. Nitya karma you have to do, then only you can do kamya karma. Actually, Nitrama is this. First Nitya, then Naimittika, only then you can do kamya karma. In other words, if somebody says, I want to go to Swarga, they will say, first you start with Agnihotradi. You will have to do. Then you have to do other things. Then Nitya Darsha Purnamasa you do, then you do this Kamya Darsha Purnamasa. Pashvanna Vishayam Mantra Padam Adaya Prashna Purvakam Tadartham Kathayati. Now what is the Pashuvannam? So that is being mentioned. पशुभ्यः एकं प्रायच्छत् इति यत् पशुभ्यः एकं प्रायच्छत् पिता किं पुनस्तदन्नं तत्पयः. पशुभ्यः एकं प्रायच्छत्, टू पशुस he gave one annam. What is that? It is milk. Pashu means human beings are also called pashu. See in Tika it is given. पशूनां पयो अन्नम इति एतद् उपपादयितुं पृच्छति. कथं पुनः अवगम्यते? हाउ डू यू नो तत् पशवो अस्य अन्नस्य स्वामिनः इत्यतः पयो हि इति प्रतीकम् उपादाय व्याकरोति. पशवः, फर्स्ट यू सी दैट पशवः द्विपादश्च चतुष्पादश्च इति श्रुतिम आश्रित्य मनुष्याश्च इति उक्तम्. इन पशु two-legged ones and four-legged ones. So this is the Shruti, and therefore Manushyas are covered under Pashu. Two-legged ones, Pashu. Therefore they can have milk. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।